Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to change language in Need for Speed No Limits. When it comes to changing the language in Need for Speed No Limits, it does not have an in-game language menu. Instead, the game automatically adopts the language of your device, that can be your phone or tablet's system settings. So in order to change your language, you'll need to first close the game completely and then open up Settings application on your device. After opening up Setting on your device, go ahead and look for the language option. The language option will be available inside the General tab. From the General option, go ahead and look for Language and Region. Now, go ahead and select the language you want to change to. After choosing the language, and Need for Speed No Limits will now run in your selected system language. So that way you will need to change your device's system language so that your Need for Speed No Limits language also change inside the game. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.